What if one of the most beautiful decorations for your home was not found in furniture store, but hidden beneath to the ground? Before you walk past one in the woods, you might want to take a closer look. What appears to be tangled, lifeless piece of wood could actually become one of the most beautiful decorations in your home. Most people never think about tree roots after a tree has been removed. They are usually buried, burned, or left to decay. But hidden beneath the soil are amazing natural shapes that have been forming for decades. Every twist, curve, and branch is a design created by nature itself. Unlike factory-made furniture or mass-produced home decor, no two tree roots are ever the same. That means every project you create is completely unique. You are not copying a design, you are revealing one that already exists. Imagine walking into a living room with a warm glowing light shining through the natural curve of an old root. During the day, it looks like a beautiful wooden structure, and at the night, it fills the room with soft, relaxing glow. It is more than just a lamp. It's a piece of nature transformed into functional art. The exciting part is that you don't need a rare or expensive materials to create something that looks luxurious. Some of the most eye-catching home decor begins with forgotten natural objects that most people overlooked. With a little creativity, patience, and care, you can turn something ordinary into stunning centerpiece. Natural wood has a warmth that is difficult to replace. Its flawless shape, rich texture, and unique character brings comfort and personality into any space. Whether your home is modern, rustic, minimalist, or traditional, organic wooden decor blends beautifully with almost every style. This kind of project is almost a wonderful reminder that beauty can come from unexpected place. And instead of buying another mass-produced decoration, you can create something that tells a story of nature, creativity, and craftsmanship. Hello there, viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. In today's video, we will explore how discarded tree roots can become elegant light fixture that combines nature beauty with everyday function. You will discover creative idea for displaying them, decorating with them, and transforming overlooked materials into handmade home decor that looks like it belongs in an art gallery. Whether you are an experienced woodworker or someone who simply loves decorating with natural materials, this idea will inspire you to see the hidden potential all around you. So, slow down, look a little closer at the natural world, and get ready to discover how one forgotten tree root can become one of the most unforgettable pieces in your home. Let's begin this creative transformation together. See beautiful where others see waste. Every creative project begins with a new way of looking at ordinary materials. Trees' roots may look rough and messy at first. Hidden beneath their dirt is beautiful natural artwork. Every twist and curve tells part of the tree story. Nature has already created the design, you simply reveal it. Every root is one of a kind. Unlike factory-made decor, no two roots are identical. Each piece has its own natural personality. Some are bold and dramatic, others are soft and flowing. That's what makes handmade decor so special. Your finished project becomes truly unique. Clean away years of dirt. The transformation begins with patience. Remove the loose dirt carefully. Brush away old debris. As the surface becomes cleaner, beautiful shapes begin to appear. Every cleaned section reveals more natural detail. Watching this transformation is one of the most satisfying parts of the project. Let nature become the artist. You don't need to force complicated design. The natural shape already provides the beauty. Follow the curves instead of hiding them. Celebrate the imperfections. Organic designs often feels more relaxing and welcoming than perfectly slighted lines. Create a warm and relaxing glow. Soft lights completely change the atmosphere of the room. A light shining through the natural curve creates a beautiful shadow. The result feels calm and inviting. Organic lights become more than decoration. It becomes part of the room personality, perfect for modern and rustic home. Natural woods fit almost every decorating style. Modern homes gain warmth, rustic home gains character, minimalist space become more inviting. Every room benefits from natural materials. Turn your nature into functional art. A beautiful decor should also serve a purpose. A lighting fixture brightens a room while becoming a sculpture during the day. Guests immediately notice something so unique. Functional artwork always stand out. Great design combines beauty with usefulness. Display the natural shape. Avoid curving the wood with heavy decorations. Let the curve remain the center of attention. Simplicity often creates the most elegant appearance. Natural texture makes every piece feels authentic. Less is more. Less is often more. Display the natural shape. Avoid curving the wood with heavy decorations. Let the curve remain the center of attention. Simplicity often creates the most elegant appearance. Natural textures makes every piece feels authentic. Less is often more. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with decor lover, friend and family. And let's inspire more people to create something beautiful with their hands. Decorate sustainability. Reusing natural materials help reduce waste. Instead of throwing roots away, give them a second life. Creative recycling benefits both your home and the environment. Handmade decoration becomes even more meaningful. Sustainability and beauty work perfectly together. Add warmth to any room. Place your finished light in the living room. Display it in the bedroom. Create a relaxing reading corner. Brighten an entryway. Add character to a home office. Natural wood creates comfort whether it goes. Handmade piece feels more personal. Store-bought decorations often look identical. Handmade projects tell a story. Every curve reminds you that nature creates a design. Every finished piece reflects your creativity. That's what makes handmade decoration unforgettable. The real secret behind luxury design. Luxury is not always expensive. Luxury often comes from an uniqueness. Nature material creates beauty that cannot be copied. Creativity transforms forgotten root into elegant home decor. The most valuable part of the project is your imagination. Let every piece tell its own story. Don't try to make every root look the same. Every shape has its own beauty. Some become dramatic centerpiece, others become subtle decoration. Celebrate individuality. That's what makes handmade creations unforgettable. Small details make a big difference. Gentle cleaning, smooth surface, balanced placement, soft lighting. These small details make the finished project feel much more refined. Simple improvements create lasting impressions. Start with a smaller project. You don't have to begin with a giant root. Small pieces are easier to handle. They help build confidence. Every project creates new skill. Experience grows naturally over time. Fill your home with natural beauty. Nature has a calm effect which bring warmth to every room. Organic shapes of soften modern interior. Handmade lights creates a peaceful atmosphere. Your home becomes more welcoming and relaxing. Discover hidden value. What many people throw away can become something extraordinary. Creativity changes the way we see everyday materials. Every reclaimed piece has potential. Beautiful design often begins with overlooked resource. Sometimes, the greatest treasure are simple waiting to be discovered. Inspire others to create. Your finished project may inspire friends and families. Handmade decors encourage creativity. Every project tells a story of imagination and resourcefulness. Great ideas are begin with simple materials. One project can inspire many more. Bonus creative light ideas: table lamps with a natural root base, floor lamp using a large twisted root, hanging pendant light, wall mounted accent light, bedside lamp, entryway statement light, dining room centerpiece, decorative shelf light, reading corner lamp, artistic hallway light, nature inspired office lamp, living room display sculptures. To the end of today's creative journey, we hope you will never look an old tree root the same way again. What many people see as something to throw away can actually become one of the most beautiful and meaningful pieces of decor in your home. One of the most rewarding parts of woodworking and creative decorating is learning to see possibility where others only see waste. A twisted root that has spent years hidden underground can become stunning light fixture that fills a room with warmth, character, and natural beauty. Every tree root tells a story. Every curve, every twist, and every unique shape was formed naturally over many years. When you transform it into decorative light, you are not just building a project, you are preserving a small piece of nature and giving a brand new purpose. The wonderful thing about this project, like this, is that there are no two that will ever be exactly alike. Every root is different, which means every finished piece becomes one of a kind. That's something mass-produced decoration can never offer. Don't worry about making your first project perfect. Start with a simple piece, enjoy the process, and allow the nature shape of the wood to guide your creativity. Every project you complete will teach you something new and help you develop your own unique style. Handmade home decor has a special feeling because it reflects your imagination, patience, and effort. A handmade home decor has a special feeling because it reflects your imagination, patience, and effort. Every time you see your finished light fixture grow in the evening, you will remember that you created it from a material that many people would have ignored. Projects like this are a reminder as a beautiful home does not always require expensive furniture or designer decorations. Sometimes the most impressive centerpiece in a room is something made with creative, careful craftsmanship and an appreciation for natural materials. As you continue your woodworking and DIY journey, challenge yourself to see hidden potential everywhere. Fallen branches, reclaimed wood, old palette, tree roots, and forgotten materials can all become beautiful projects with a little imagination and thoughtful design. Most importantly, every the creative process, every hour spent building, cleaning, shaping, and decorating is an opportunity to learn, relax, and create something meaningful with your own hands. That's one of the greatest rewards of woodworking. We would love to hear from you. If you found a unique tree root, what would you turn into? Would you create a table lamp, a floor lamp, a wall light, a decorative sculpture, or something completely different? Share us your idea in the comments below. We will see this creative of your community. If this video inspired you, please take a moment to give a thumb up. Your support helps more people discover creative wooden idea and encourage us to continue sharing new DIY projects every day. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you will never miss furniture videos. We regularly share reclaimed wood projects, creative home decor ideas, budget-friendly woodworking tools, furniture inspiration, workshop tips, and unique ways to transform overlooked material into beautiful home handmade creations. And don't stop there. We have many more videos filled with pallet furniture idea, rustic decoration projects, scrap wood builds, natural wood craft, and practical woodworking techniques. Click on one of the video on your screen and keep your creativity grow with us. Thank you so much for watching and spending part of your day with us. Your support, comments, and passion for woodworking inspire us to keep creating fresh ideas for makers around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and never underestimate the beauty hidden inside nature. Sometimes the most extraordinary work of art begins with the simplest place of food. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we will see you in the next woodworking adventure. Happy building, stay safe, stay blessed.